Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Pidesi from hoteliers channel. Today our bartender Mr. Pungandram Samagas will be show you how to make the Sapphire Island, which is gin based cocktail, and let's go to see that.
The procedures: Number 1, add gin, ginger syrup and lime juice to a cocktail shaker with fresh ice. Number 2, shake well and strain into a Bombay glass. Number 3, add crushed ice and a lemon wheel. Number 4, add in ginger ale. Number 5, garnish with rosemary. Note: gin to be infused with butterfly pea flower before time.